Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Zirak and I am an ex-final year MBBS student. I just graduated recently and I'm going to start my house job very soon in Lahore General Hospital here in Lahore, Pakistan. This is a chill kind of video in which I'm sharing my feelings at the moment and ramble about some stuff and kind of a life update. If you want anything valuable for you, you can skip this video and watch any of my other video. Anyways, let's get into it. What I am feeling right now. Actually, I'm having a natural break in my life at the moment. You know, over the past 9 years, I was bulldozing very hard in 9th and 10th class. After that, in pre-med school, in Government College University. After that, 5 years of MBBS. Now finally, I've graduated. So my house job will start in a month. I'm just at the moment doing nothing, just chilling and a kind of recalibration. Okay, what to do next? Either do FCPS or PLAB or USMLE and other kind of life careers and options to move forward in future, do my specialization. So all this stuff is going on in my mind at the moment and I'm just sitting back and recalibrating different futures, different timelines. What is the possibility in future to move forward and do the work. It's Ramadan Mubarak here in Pakistan and Ramadan and Eid Mubarak in advance to everyone who is watching this video. I seriously don't know what to say at the moment. This is the actual depiction of how you feel after your graduation, and when you look back all those years of hard work and struggle, study hours, the late night study sessions in prof and all those stuff. When you go through all of this and there is a pause, a break in your life and you have achieved your milestone. So this is the actual feeling I'm feeling right now at the moment. It was hell of a ride when I look back all those years, the journey, what I was and what I have become. Lot of achievements I can say, and I'm just sitting back and evaluating everything in this 1.5 months. So kind of feeling very overwhelming at the moment. All those who have graduated can relate to it. Then we hit some important milestones this year. I turned 24 in the January 2021. Then I graduated this year. Then my photography brand just blew up in the past couple of months. If you don't know, I have a photography brand with the name Zirak Naseer Portraits on Instagram and Facebook. I will link that on the video somewhere. So I started that in my 3rd year and 4th year as a hobby, as a passion for photography and filmmaking, as a side hobby along with my studies. And that literally blew up in the past couple of months, and I started having some serious projects, some travel film projects by travel companies, then some client works, and it grew to an extent that I was having trouble managing that alone on myself. So I made a team of 2 to 3 people that are now working for Zirak Naseer Portraits. So that was very out of blue for me. Then I started my YouTube channel. We are not a very big channel at the moment, but this is something I love doing. I really enjoy the process of script writing, the narrative, the filmmaking and all of this stuff related to it. And I'm very keen toward it and making it a big channel by making a lot of videos in future, because there are not many people here in Pakistan who are making such content in medicine, because not everyone have time to make such videos. It is kind of a lengthy process, but this is something I really love doing and I'll inshallah keep it going in future along with my medicine and house job and everything. It was kind of not higher in my priority list because I was already doing a lot of work. First of all, my studies, then I was the president in my college photography society. I was managing that society and its events in the whole year. Then I had the brand and I was busy in client projects, editing photos and video, all of that stuff. Then the 4th one was this YouTube channel. So it was not in my priority list, it was very down, but I just recalibrated all of this stuff and it is in my higher priority list and I am very serious about it in making content and regular videos. I really wanted to travel in this 1.5 month of vacation to Skardu or anywhere out of Pakistan like Turkey, and kind of make a travel film and rejuvenate myself and give a fresh start for house job and the future medicine life. But we are in a pandemic at the moment and it is not possible to travel. Better say it is not safe to travel. So I'm just chilling at my home, kind of change of plans. If I talk about the future, especially the future direction in which I am going and in which the channel is going. So we have 3 elephants in the room at the moment. The first one is house job, and you all have heard about the house job, the notorious stories like It is a duty of 26 hours, 36 hours, the night shifts, and all of this stuff. I also have heard that, and I'm going to experience that very soon. So I'm kind of curious about that phase of my life I'm going to experience very soon. I don't know curious is the right word or not, but most of the people use that. They are worried about it, that phase of their life, how they will manage such long hours of duties, because it is inhuman kind of behavior, and we don't see such long hours of duties in the house job anywhere in the world. Not in USA, not in UK, only applicable in Asia, in Pakistan, and I think India. I don't know exactly, but this is the situation here and we have to deal with it. I kind of have an idea in my mind to cope with such stressful period by making some informative videos or blogs, you can say. I don't know if I can do it or not, if I able to manage time or not, but I have talked to my editor and we agreed that if I manage to shoot such videos, the editor will edit those, and with the teamwork we will be able to generate some videos. The second elephant is of course the specialty training, in which I'm going to get in the future. I kind of have time to think about it this whole 1 year of house job. I think by the end of house job I'll be able to make my mind about it, but it is a part of life now and it will go side by side. And the third elephant is of course this YouTube channel and my photography brand. I already made the team for the brand, so the workload on me will be very less and I'll be able to put more time on this YouTube channel and make videos. There is kind of a priority shift at the moment. If I talk about the last 2 to 3 years, I was busy in my MBBS studies, of course, taking lectures, going to hospital wards, then the society works in the college. After that, the content creation for different travel companies for travel films. After that, the client work for GFNC Fortress. I was managing all this stuff and it was very difficult for me to regularly make videos for YouTube. But now I have a team who can manage those activities, so I can put a lot of my time on YouTube, and I am very curious about it. When someone asks me why content creation and why you want to make such videos, the answer to why is very important, and we all have very clear the answer to why in our mind in whatever we do in our life. So when I look towards it, like 5 to 6 years back when I was studying my pre-med school, there were no such videos on YouTube, on any social media platform to which I can look up to which I can relate that after 5 to 6 years my life will be like that. So I have in my mind to make such videos which future generation can relate. They can look up to such videos and they know okay, 5 to 6 years onward their life will be like that. After completing their MBBS or their life in med school, there is a very small amount of content in this niche, the life in medicine, specifically in Pakistan, because not a lot of creators who belong to medical field make such videos. But I have in my mind to make videos to which anyone who are planning to get into medical school can relate and have an insight how it feels like to be a doctor in Pakistan, how it feels like to be in a position you are working so hard toward it, to which you are aiming. If we look at MDCAT, there are like more than 1 lakh people who appear in that exam and only 3,000 people selected for the government seats. So you can understand it is a very competitive exam, and anyone who are working so hard towards a goal can have an insight how their life will change in medical field and how it feels like to be in a position. The basic principle I have in my mind is to just make the content helpful, meaningful and insightful, you can say. An important thing happened recently in the past couple of months is my video on Lahore General Hospital. I shot that video I think 1 year ago on my drone. That video is basically the bird eye view of the whole hospital. That video start gaining attention on YouTube, and if you search on YouTube Lahore General Hospital, my video pops up at the top. And another video in which I shared my journey to medical school, that video again started gaining some attention, and I received a lot of messages from pre-med school students, some students in first year and second year of medical school. So they texted me on my Instagram to talk about some topics on which they need to have some insight. And when I look at those topics, those were all belong to a medical field and only a doctor or a medical student can talk on. So I made my mind to make videos on those topics as well, and those will be in the bin and will come very soon. And that is pretty much the reason I'm very motivated towards making videos and content on life in medicine. So stay tuned for that, and a lot of content coming very soon on life in medicine and on anything I'm interested in. That's it for this video. If you really want to see such content, a sub would be amazing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.